This is the Alice Pratt Brown Hall that we're in right now, which was built in 1991. Almost 35 years later, we realized that we were really having a hard time maintaining the seats. Not only here in the Stude Concert Hall, but in our Duncan Recital Hall right across the foyer, they had the exact same seats from the original building. We realized that it was really overtime for us to replace these seats. This project is less of a renovation and more like a restoration. If you think about an incredible painting, the way in which you approach wanting to make sure that the purity of the original artistic intention is still there, that's what we've done here.
To me, there's just a whole new level of richness to it. Almost everything is fundamentally the same, but everything looks new, everything looks clean, everything looks more upscale.
We were able to upgrade the flooring, which was painted concrete, and now it's a beautiful hardwood floor thanks to a generous gift from Russ Pittman. This is Duncan Recital Hall in Alice Pratt Brown Hall. Basically, we touched everything in this hall from the ceilings downwards.
We didn't make any significant layout or color changes, but in a detail sense, almost everything is better. There are interesting wood and fabric details everywhere. The carpet is richer in color. The step lights and aisle lights are better.
These are world-class facilities, so we wanted to be true to that.
It was already great, and now it's even better.
We have over 400 performances that happen here every year at the Shepherd School, and the majority of those performances happen in Stude Concert Hall and in Duncan Recital Hall. So we hope that the public will come and be even more enthusiastic to sit in the new seats, see some of our new faculty, some of our old faculty, all of our students perform, and come and have a wonderful time.